smell that? I don't guess you can smell through a quick video, but this, everybody at home, is my red stag. I just shot him at about 35 yards. Put a Muzzy broadhead right into his lungs and into his heart, and he died not 50 yards from where I shot him at. Put a nice spot and stalk on him. Good way to start the season. I'm not going to complain. 2 days after Daniel Lee killed his elk, I've got my red stag on the ground. It's time to relax a little bit here at the Heartland Wildlife Ranch. I'm telling you, if you want to put a big animal on the ground, this is the place to go. Heartland Wildlife Ranch. It's in Ethel, Missouri. Absolutely beautiful. You won't find any nicer accommodations, any bigger elk, any more beautiful red stags. This is the place to go.